Cable connector and gland manufacturer Lapp USA revealed results from deploying the Corvus One autonomous inventory management system at its warehouse in Brownsburg, Indiana. The company discovered that replacing its manual, time-intensive cycle counts with an automated inventory monitoring system lowered labor costs while boosting operational efficiency and accuracy. Lapp stated that it encountered inventory management issues after consolidating operations into the 134,000 square foot Indiana facility. Challenges included limited coverage from manual cycle counts that covered the warehouse twice per year, assigning 12.5% of its workforce to counting, mislabeled and misplaced reels, and slower order processing. The company found a solution with Corvus One. The system's AI drones can fly nightly, fully autonomous missions to scan racks, take pictures of pallet locations, and provide reports that identify misplaced and mislabeled reels. The drones use artificial intelligence to navigate, perceive, and scan Lapp's warehouse, while computer vision detects rack positions, labels, and barcodes, and machine learning spots discrepancies over time. Inventory and Quality Control Coordinator Robert Hofbauer explained that the inventory staff can set the drones to fly overnight and conduct cycle counts the next day based on the system's reports. Lapp reported that Corvus One increased inventory counts from twice to 26 times per year, eliminated overtime and weekend cycle counting, and improved inventory accuracy by catching label placement inconsistencies. Lapp was also able to shrink its inventory staff to 2 associates, allowing other staff to focus on manufacturing and order picking.